Hello, my name's Claire Kinlan, and I'm sales manager for crop input side of the McEwen Agri Center in Eastern Ontario. And I'm at our VARS location just to showcase our new seed treater that we installed last spring. And the reason why we have a seed treater is for grower convenience and customers just wanting to do bulk and pre-inoculated seed. So we've made the investment in a USC system that has proven very effective last spring, and look forward to doing more throughout the next seasons to come. One of the things that we've chose to use is the Hi-Coat NT inoculant, and what it does is give us longer coverage on the soybeans so that we don't have to plant the same day that we have inoculated and treated. So if we look at our system here, it's quite simple but complex at the same time. We bring the beans in from this side, we elevate them up into the top of what we call our seed wheel. The seed wheel then monitors or regulates the flow of the seed through the treater. Where we can apply right now, we can apply two different products, one being the Hi-Coat as well as Cruiser Max Vibrance on the back. So that allows us to do a very, very thorough job of applying the products in the right spot for the growers that want them and need them. One of the things that this system actually allows us to do too, as more information and more knowledge is learned about seed treatments and seed enhancement products, is that we can extend up to 6 different products on the seed at the same time. One of the advantages of a system like this on site is that we can treat right into a grower's wagon, and if we manage it well enough and time well enough, we can deliver it right to the field or to the grower's shed merely days before he's ready to plant. So we don't have beans with living bacteria that we need for nodulization sitting on the seed for a prolonged period of time. So it's a great system. Why we chose USC is just it's the best system on the market. It's state of the art. If you look through, we run through everything through what's called the atomizer, and that's this system right up here. So we basically, beans come down through the top, monitored out. The atomizer goes in and it spins around, and it applies the product to every seed going through. So we don't get big lumps of seed that's not treated or a big water dump that's going through. One of the things that we wanted to make sure we were able to do for our customers is to produce the product in a timely fashion. So we've purchased the larger seed treater in order to do that, and the capacity to get the beans to the field on time with a larger system like this allows us to do that. And last spring, for example, we treated 10 ton of beans in under 45 minutes. So we moved the beans through pretty quick. And as you guys get bigger as producers, we need to be able to move as fast as you guys.